First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Good looking day so far, much better than yesterday when we had that blanket of clouds throughout the day. Today we're getting a lot more sunshine and we're getting a southerly wind flow that's helping temperatures get a lot warmer than yesterday. Here's a look at First Alert Live Doppler radar. Again, a clean sweep, no problems out there. 55 your current temperature reading. As we look around the area, Mesonet side showing mainly upper 40s to mid 50s. A little bit cooler up Calhoun, McLean County 49, Hardinsburg, Breckenridge County at 49. Everybody else in the low to mid 50s all across south central Kentucky. And a little bit of a breeze here coming out of the south southeast at 10 to 15, almost 20 miles per hour. That's adding a little extra chill to the air, but it's still warmer than it was yesterday when we had those clouds and just kind of a stagnant atmosphere. But here is high pressure taking over, making the skies look nice and sunny. The air mass that's moving through the area, the southerly winds helping to mix things out just a little bit better as we look from the sleep-in weather cam, which is located at exit 22, I-65 and Scottsville Road. Here in Bowling Green, 55 degrees currently with that little breeze out of the southeast at 12 miles per hour, but a very dry atmosphere. The dew points and humidity very low right now. The pressure is falling. Here's a look at some of the weather cams. We go to Franklin. We head south to Simpson County, 54 degrees, a few high clouds off to the east of the Simpson County Courthouse. There's Greenville and Muhlenberg County, seeing the bright sunshine and 54 degrees after starting at 29 degrees there in Greenville this morning. Munfordville is sunny at 53 after starting at 28 this morning. And here's Mammoth Cave National Park looking good, 53 degrees after starting with a low of 31 there this morning. 54 at the airport, 50s, a few 60s further south, the cooler 40s off to the north of us. We're pacing 10 degrees warmer than we were yesterday at this time. Yesterday was 10 degrees cooler than it was on Monday, so it's kind of this seesaw effect that's going on here, and it's because high pressure continues to move off to the east, and we got rid of that little weak disturbance that produced the cloud cover that we saw yesterday. Now we're looking at more clouds making their approach from the west. A lot of this activity is going to go up into Illinois, Indiana, and some of it is in the form of rain. As a matter of fact, as we go to radar, you can see some of those showers that have been popping up just east of Des Moines, west of Peoria, St. Louis about to get some rain. All this is rain. Nothing really strong or severe out of this. In fact, we're not expecting anything in the way of severe weather in our part of the country, the Ohio Valley, the Tennessee Valley, for the next few days. High pressure is in control right now, and because it is a little bit east of us, we're getting a more southerly fetch here, which is going to help things warm up over the course of time. But we're also watching a series of disturbances that's going to work their way into our area over the course of time. A few more clouds expected tomorrow. And then tomorrow night, we'll begin to see the first in a series of disturbances ahead of this front. And each one will bring us a chance of rain as the front begins to slow down a little bit. And then waves of low pressure will travel along that front. And so we're looking at the first chance of rain overnight Thursday into early Friday morning. That will be the first wave. And then here is a band of heavier rain that is due in here during the day on Friday. And even though we're not expecting any severe weather, we could get some heavy downpours of rain on Friday. Mostly sunny, warmer this afternoon, a high of 58 thanks to those south winds. We could even hit 60 degrees before the day is done. Then for tonight, partly cloudy, not as cold, down to 38. Tomorrow, warmer, 62, and then increasing clouds, rain by tomorrow night, showers all day Friday at 60. The first of two shots of cooler air comes in on Saturday, putting a stunt to the rain at 46, but here is the Arctic blast, the biggest one yet this fall season on Sunday. High of only 35 degrees, running about 30 degrees colder than average, and then maybe even a little bit light wintry mix from Monday night into Tuesday, but right now not a big deal. We'll be back with more Midday Live in just a minute.